Coalesce supports data teams working together within the platform at the same time, reflecting real-time changes. There are no barriers, but there are a few best practices to allow all of the members of your data team to work together in Coalesce at the same time. Let's explore how you can work with your entire team in Coalesce. Within Coalesce, you can use projects to separate different data initiatives or teams for a specific purpose. For example, you may create a project for your marketing team, procurement team, and sales team. You may also have different initiatives your team is working on and can use projects as logical containers for your team to work more effectively, such as a project for machine learning work. By using projects in this way, your team can be logically separated by use case, but also physically separated from other developers, allowing the freedom to work on features without stepping on the toes of other teammates. Each project is tied to a Git repository, allowing all work to be version controlled. This means your team can take advantage of Git branches exactly like they would in any other development environment. This brings us to workspaces. A workspace is where you spend your time developing your data transformations. Each project will have at least one workspace, but you can have as many workspaces within a project as you need. Each workspace will have a Git branch associated with it, often denoting a feature that your team is working on. At Coalesce, we recommend within each project having a workspace that is configured with the main or master branch of your Git repository. Then, for each feature or update to your data pipelines, creating a new workspace which uses a new branch created from the main branch. This allows users to work on the features or updates they need to in a separate branch without everyone making different, unrelated changes in the same workspace and branch. If two or more users need to be working in the same workspace at the same time, it is important to note that each user will be tied to the current branch. If the branch changes at any time, the branch will change for all users in the workspace. Additionally, when working in a workspace, changes happen in real time. If two users were working in the same workspace and user 1 added several new nodes, user 2 would see those changes occur in real time. Once a data pipeline feature or update is complete, you can commit your work to Git. Once your work has been tested and is ready for deployment in your main branch, you can merge the changes into your main branch and delete the workspace you are working in, or create a new branch for the next update or feature in the same workspace. By developing in this way, users can commit their work to their branch while simultaneously working with any other users in the same project. Coalesce is not constrained by the number of users who can work at the same time. While there are best practices to allow for higher productivity and cleaner development, Coalesce does not limit the number of users. To learn more about Coalesce, you can view our documentation at docs.coalesce.io. And if you need support, you can file a support request at help.coalesce.io.